If you are a male to female crossdresser, you might have wondered how to radiate more feminine energy in your appearance, behavior, and attitude. Feminine energy is not something that you can buy or fake, but rather something that you can cultivate and express from within. In this video, we will explore how to increase it in some practical ways, and how to balance it with your masculine energy. Despite these challenges, you can still increase your feminine energy and enjoy its benefits. Here are some practical ways to do so. Meditating allows you to get in touch with your feminine energy. It helps you to calm your mind, relax your body, and connect with your soul. It also enables you to access your intuition and creativity. You can meditate in different ways, such as by focusing on your breath, repeating a mantra, listening to music, or visualizing a positive image. Taking long walks can also boost your feminine energy. It allows you to be in nature, which is a source of feminine energy. It also gives you a chance to move your body, which is a form of expression and release. You can walk in different settings, such as in a park, on a beach, or in a forest. You can also walk alone or with someone you trust. Being vulnerable means being honest and authentic about your feelings and needs. It also means being open and receptive to other people's feelings and needs. Being vulnerable can increase your feminine energy because it shows that you are not afraid to be yourself and that you care about others. You can be vulnerable in different situations, such as by sharing your story, asking for help, or expressing your emotions. Indulging in self-care means taking good care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. It also means treating yourself with kindness, compassion, and respect. Indulging in self-care can increase your feminine energy because it shows that you value yourself and that you deserve happiness. You can indulge in self-care in different ways, such as by eating well, sleeping well, pampering yourself, or doing something you love. Being empathetic means being able to understand and share the feelings of another person. It also means being able to offer support and comfort to another person. Being empathetic can increase your feminine energy because it shows that you are nurturing, caring, and compassionate. You can be empathetic in different relationships, such as with your friends, family, partner, or strangers. Communicating assertively means being able to express your thoughts, opinions, and preferences clearly and respectfully. It also means being able to listen actively and respectfully to the thoughts, opinions, and preferences of others. Communicating softly means being able to use a gentle tone of voice, a warm smile, and a friendly gesture. Communicating assertively and softly can increase your feminine energy because it shows that you are confident, polite, and charming. You can communicate assertively and softly in different contexts, such as at work, at home, or in public. Journaling means writing down your thoughts, feelings, experiences, and goals on a regular basis. It also means reflecting on what you have written and learning from it. Journaling can increase your feminine energy because it helps you to explore your inner world and express your creativity. You can journal in different formats, such as by using a notebook, a computer, or an app. Taking care of your appearance means grooming yourself well and enhancing your natural beauty. It also means choosing clothes that fit you well and suit your style. Dressing in a feminine way means wearing clothes that accentuate your curves and express your personality. It also means accessorizing with jewelry, shoes, bags, etc. Taking care of your appearance and dressing in a feminine way can increase your feminine energy because it shows that you are proud of who you are and that you enjoy being a woman. Unleashing your creativity means using your imagination and innovation to create something new or original. It also means having fun and experimenting with different ideas and possibilities. Unleashing your creativity can increase your feminine energy because it shows that you are playful, adventurous, and inspired. You can unleash your creativity in different domains, such as art, music, literature, cooking, etc. One way to balance your feminine and masculine energies is to understand the concept of leading energy and polarity. Leading energy is the dominant energy that you have within yourself, which influences your core values, beliefs, and preferences. Polarity is the attraction that you have with another person who has a different leading energy than yours. For example, if you have a feminine leading energy, you might value connection, expression, and flow more than achievement, structure, and direction. You might also feel more attracted to someone who has a masculine leading energy, who can provide you with stability, protection, and guidance. Conversely, if you have a masculine leading energy, you might value achievement, structure, and direction more than connection, expression, and flow. You might also feel more attracted to someone who has a feminine leading energy, who can offer you warmth, support, and inspiration. Knowing your leading energy and polarity can help you balance your feminine and masculine energies by allowing you to embrace your true self and appreciate your partner's differences. You can also learn from each other and grow together. Another way to balance your feminine and masculine energies is to recognize the signs of imbalance and how to restore harmony. Imbalance occurs when you have too much or too little of one energy in relation to the other. This can cause various problems in your life, such as stress, anxiety, depression, boredom, frustration, resentment, or conflict. Some of the signs of imbalance are: too much feminine energy. You might feel overwhelmed by your emotions, unable to make decisions or take action, dependent on others for validation or approval, or lacking in confidence or self-esteem. Too little feminine energy. You might feel disconnected from yourself and others, unable to express your feelings or needs, rigid or inflexible in your thinking or behavior, or lacking in creativity or joy. Too much masculine energy. You might feel stressed by your goals, unable to relax or enjoy life, aggressive or dominating in your relationships, or lacking in empathy or compassion. Too little masculine energy. You might feel aimless by your lack of direction, unable to focus or achieve anything meaningful, dependent on others for direction or guidance, or lacking in confidence or self-esteem. To restore harmony, you need to balance your feminine and masculine energies by doing the following. Identify the source of your imbalance. You can do this by asking yourself what is causing you to feel stressed, anxious, depressed, bored, frustrated, resentful, or conflicted. Is it your work, your relationships, your health, your environment, or something else? Adjust your lifestyle accordingly. You can do this by making some changes in your daily habits, routines, and activities. For example, if you have too much feminine energy, you might need to set some goals, take some action, or assert yourself more. If you have too little feminine energy, you might need to relax more, express yourself more, or be more receptive. If you have too much masculine energy, you might need to slow down, enjoy life more, or be more empathetic. If you have too little masculine energy, you might need to focus more, achieve more, or be more confident. Seek support from others. You can do this by reaching out to people who can help you balance your energies. For example, if you have a feminine leading energy, you might benefit from having a masculine partner or friend who can provide you with stability, protection, and guidance. If you have a masculine leading energy, you might benefit from having a feminine partner or friend who can offer you warmth, support, and inspiration. Feminine energy is an attitude that some women have within which influences their behavior and how they carry themselves. It is not related to your biological sex or gender identity but rather to your essence and spirit. Feminine energy is important for crossdressers because it can help them achieve a more authentic and satisfying expression of their female self. To increase your feminine energy, you can try meditating, taking long walks, being vulnerable, indulging in self-care, being empathetic, communicating assertively and softly, journaling, taking care of your appearance and dressing in a feminine way, and unleashing your creativity. To balance your feminine and masculine energies, you need to understand the concept of leading energy and polarity and recognize the signs of imbalance and how to restore harmony.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.